Hey, today we are going to make hammered beef. These are the ingredients. First, you need to prepare the surface. So now what I'm doing, I'm lining the surface with the cling film. So I'm doubling it, or you can use a bin bag. Okay. Now the surface is ready. So now it's time to get the meat mallet, and now we can start. So this is what I need to do. So here we go. So this is what you need to do. You continue to hammer it or pound it until it's like double its size, and you can flip it or turn it twice. So it's really, sometimes it can triple the size. The idea is to tenderize the meat, and at the same time the marinade will be easier to work on it once it's tenderized, and it will definitely be tastier and of course easy to chew. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I put some plastic covering on the meats to avoid any splatters. I'm going to continue pounding it until the size I need, and then I'm going to continue the rest of the meat. Now I finished all the meat, so now let's go to the next step. So next I'm going to make the sauce. I'm going to add the meat. So the first thing first, yes, I'm going to add salt, cumin. So I'm going to put 2. It should have been black pepper, minced garlic. So I'm going to put 2. So this is 2 tablespoons. Another 2, maybe 1, 2, 1.5. This one is up to you, whatever how much you put. I'm going to put a tiny, maybe just half. So this is the mixture now. So this is it. This is all the mixture I need to add to my meat. So I've got my meat here. So now I've got here, the mixture is ready. Right, so I'm just going to put all my meat here. Just going to put it all in here in this bowl. I'm just going to put all this and just mix it all in. So all of it in. And then I'm going to just use my hand. I'm just going to mix everything in. Now it's done. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it with the film and then put it in the fridge. And you can leave it for a couple of hours until you cook it. This is definitely ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook these. So I'm going to cook some of them, I'm going to fry them, and the other ones I'm going to actually put them here and bake them in the oven. I've put the oven already on and it's reheating now. It's preheated. So I'm just going to put a tiny little bit, really, it's not a lot. It's there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here, so I've got my meat here. So I've made already here. I've got some eggs already. So the only thing I need to put is just a tiny little bit. It's about just a sprinkle, really. Just a sprinkle of salt, and then the same thing. So now I'm going to take one. So it's here. It's a little bit on, and then I'm going to dip it in the egg. And then the next thing here is the berbere crumb. As you can see, I'm just going to put it here. This is one. I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. So as you can see, one here. So I've got here a little bit of flour, and then I'm going to dip it in the egg. And then that's it. Okay, so this is now ready. So I'm going to put this one now in the oven. Okay, I'm just going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to bake it for about 40 minutes. Temperature is 170 to 180. Okay. This is halfway, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to turn it now. Okay, so this is now the one I'm going to fry. So this is the same method. So here's the meat. So dredge in flour, and then dip in the egg mixture and cover with the breadcrumbs and so on. And now, so this is now ready. Let's need to now fry it and just get the oil, heat or oil up. Okay, so this is now ready now for frying. So I'm just going to take one at a time. Okay. It needs to be medium, so it's about 3.5. So let's see, let's check it. It's done now. So this is done. This is the baked hammered beef I baked in the oven. This is the fried hammered beef that I fried on the hob. Enjoy. See you in the next video.